Good day, class.
Good day, sir.
Okay, so our topic for today is solar system. So, what is solar system? Okay, General, please read.
What's in our solar system? Our solar system consists of a central star, the Sun, the 9 planets orbiting the Sun, moons, asteroids, comets, meteors, interplanetary gas, dust, and all the space in between them. The 9 planets of the solar system are named from Greek and Roman gods and goddesses.
Okay, thank you. So, that is, we can define our solar system. Okay, Jay. Can you cite what are the inside the inner planet and the outer planets?
The inner planets, sir, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and the outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto.
Okay, thank you very much. So, inner and outer planets are are separated by the asteroid belt. So, that's it. So, next, the relative size of the planets in the solar system. Okay, the sun. So, let me read. The sun's energy came from the nuclear fusion, where hydrogen is converted to helium with its core. This energy is released from the sun in the form of heat and light. Okay, so remember, stars produce lights, planets reflects light. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
that's the sun. So as our sun is played very important role to our planet. So it gives light in it. So
Source of energy.
okay, next, the 9 planets of the solar system. Okay, please read both.
Planets are categorized according to the composition and size. There are two main categories of planets.
Yes.
Small rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and Pluto.
Yes.
Gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Okay, so it called it, it is called as smaller rocky planets because it near from the sun. And meanwhile, it is called a gas planet or a gaseous planet because it is very far from the sun. So it composes of mostly of gas and moisture. So next, okay. So these are the characteristics of a small rocky planet.
Sir, may I read, sir?
Yes, John Ren, you may read.
Characteristics of small rocky planets. They are made up mostly of rocks and metal. They are very heavy. They move slowly in space.
Yes.
They have no rings and few moons, if any.
Yes.
They have a diameter of less than 13,000 kilometers.
So that's it.
Wow. Small rocky planets are interesting.
So okay, let's go to the first planet near the sun, the Mercury.
Mercury.
So okay, Mercury has a revolution period of 88 days. Mercury has extreme temperature. So as we sum it up, so Mercury has a very high temperature due to
Maybe
near the sun,
distance from the
because
sun.
the distance from the sun.
Okay, sir.
Next is Venus. Jay, please read.
Where, sir?
Okay. Let me fix it first. It's very hassle. Okay, Venus.
Sir, Venus is the brightest object in the sky after the sun and moon because its atmosphere reflects sunlight so well. People often mistake it for a star.
Yes.
Its maximum surface temperature may reach 900 Fahrenheit degrees. So Venus has no moons and takes 225 days to complete an orbit.
Yes. So
So it is the morning star that we
Yes.
see in the
Have you observed that?
down.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the morning.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Especially for AM.
Yes. Morning AM. Next is Earth. So please read as we live in this planet. Both of you, please read.
Sir, we will live in this planet. Let's
That's it. That's it.
read it from the beginning.
Yes. You're so genius. So Earth is the only planet known as the port of living organism. So we don't need to further the discussion on Earth.
Yes,
So
sir.
as
Yes,
we all know that we are familiar on that. Okay, let's proceed. The next planet next to Earth is Mars. General, please read.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Like Earth, Mars has ice caps at its poles.
Mm-hmm.
Mars has largest volcano in our solar system, Olympus Moons.
Mm-hmm.
Olympus Moons is approximately 15 miles high. Mars appears red because of iron oxide or rust in its soil. Mars has 2 moons and takes about 2 years to complete an orbit.
Yes. So Mars, many scientists believe that planet we live for.
Wow.
Yeah. So the have you ever heard the word Mount Olympus?
Maybe.
Have you
No, sir.
familiarized on that? So
No.
Mount Olympus is the largest
Sorry.
volcano or mountain in the planet Mars. This planet is
Sure.
the next planet that we're going to discuss are the gas planets, or it is a gaseous planet. So Jay, please read. What are the characteristics of a giant planet?
So they
Gas
are made up
giants.
mostly of gases, primarily hydrogen or helium, sir.
Mm-hmm.
They are very light for their size. They
Yes.
move quickly in space.
Mm-hmm.
They have rings and many moons. They have diameter of less than 48 kilometers,
So,
1,000 kilometers.
thank you. So, gas giants are the planets that made up of mostly gas. It is made up of dust and gas. Okay?
The name itself.
Yeah, from the name itself. So the okay, Jupiter. General, please read.
Jupiter is the largest and the most massive planet. Its diameter is 11 times bigger than that of the Earth's. It takes about 12 years for Jupiter to orbit the Sun. Jupiter has 6 known moons.
Yes. So, as you read the Jupiter, it's built or diameter, it it almost 11 times larger than Earth. So
it's so big,
imagine,
sir.
yes, it's so big. So the reason why it takes 12 years to reach its orbit from the sun because of its diameter. It is large.
Maybe
So
it has a very long orbit.
yes, it takes 12 years to
Yes,
reach
sir.
its orbit from the sun. The next planet that we are going to discuss is Saturn. So, who can read? Okay, me. Let me read.
Okay, sir.
Read to you. Okay, so Saturn is composed almost entirely of hydrogen and helium. Saturn has many rings made up of ice. So it's ring made up of ice. They're very wide. They extend outward to about 260,000 miles from the surface, but are less than 1 mile thick. So it is very thick.
Yes, sir.
Saturn has 18 known moons, some of which orbit inside of the ring. It takes Saturn's about 30 years to orbit. the sun. So imagine,
It's a very long
yeah, period. Yes.
period of time.
Yes. Okay. The next planet we're going to discuss is Uranus. So please read. J.
Uranus is blue in color due to methane gas in its atmosphere. Uranus has 11 dark rings surrounding it.
Mhm.
So Uranus has 21 known moons and takes 84 years to complete one orbit.
So as you can see, the color of the planet Uranus is
Blue.
color blue because of
Methane.
methane
So,
gas. So methane gas. My God. Okay, the next planet we're going to discuss is the Neptune.
Hey, the king of the
Okay.
sea. Oh,
Please, Junril.
Neptune is the fastest wind in the solar system, up to 2,000 kilometers per hour. Neptune is also blue in color due to methane gas in its atmosphere. Neptune takes 165 years to orbit the sun and has 8 moons.
So, thank you for reading, Junril. So, as you read, Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system. Okay, imagine it takes about 2,000 kilometers per hour.
This is stronger than a hurricane.
Yes, it's very fast. Can you imagine that?
This 10 times faster
Guys,
than a
yes.
hurricane.
Okay, thank you. So that is last
Okay.
point. So
Sir, why is Pluto not included?
I did not include Pluto because
it is too far.
some of the books included it and some of the books did not.
So
Oh, okay, sir.
you prefer the books that
So
include,
I preferred to not include the Pluto because that I can see I can consider it myself as a dwarf planet
Okay, sir.
because it cannot reach the light from the sun.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as your assignment in a clean bond paper, draw the solar system and label each planet.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I have a meeting today, so goodbye, class.
Goodbye,
Goodbye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you
For
for
teaching
teaching
us.
Okay.
May God bless you.
Okay, thank you.